Do you want to create your own metal bending tools? Here at MechMinshub, let's explore how you can craft these essential tools with simple tips and techniques. Let's dive in! A rebar bender is a crucial tool for construction used to bend reinforcing steel bars. To build a rebar bender, you will need flat bars, round stock steel, and a rotating arm with holes for different bending angles. The flat bars and round stock steel are the main components used to construct the bending mechanism, while the rotating arm with holes allows for flexibility in creating various bending angles. The rebar bender simplifies the process of shaping rebar, making it easier to create the necessary shapes and forms for reinforcing concrete structures. The stainless steel wire bender is a versatile tool for bending stainless steel bars with precision. When crafting a stainless steel wire bender, it is important to focus on creating a design that allows for versatility in bending various materials. The key components of the bender include a rotating arm, a sturdy base, and a versatile bending tool that can be easily replaced without the need for cutting or welding. This feature allows for quick adjustments and replacements, saving time and effort during the bending process. Additionally, the ability to interchange bending tools enables the bender to accommodate different material thicknesses and shapes, making it a valuable tool for various fabrication and construction projects. Sheet metal brake, constructed using simple materials such as angle iron and hinges. The angle iron forms the framework of the brake, providing the structure and stability needed for bending the metal sheets. Hinges are crucial components that enable the bending mechanism, allowing for controlled and precise bending of the thin metal sheets. The clamping mechanism holds the metal sheet securely in place during the bending process, ensuring accuracy and uniformity in the bends. With this tool, metal workers can create clean and precise bends in thin metal sheets, making it ideal for various metalworking and fabrication tasks. Tube bender are built with a sturdy frame to provide stability for shaping metal tubes or pipes. The lever arm, an essential component, is used to apply force to the tube, enabling controlled bending without causing damage to the material. Additionally, rollers play a crucial role in achieving accurate bends, as they guide the metal tube or pipe along the desired bending path, ensuring precision and consistency in the bends. This tool is invaluable for fabricating metal structures and components that require precisely shaped tubes or pipes, such as handrails, frames, and various types of supports. The scroll bender incorporates a rotating arm with interchangeable dies to create decorative scrolls or curves in metal rods. The handle attached to the rotating arm enables the user to apply controlled force, allowing for precise shaping of the metal rods. The interchangeable dies plays a crucial role in determining the shape and size of the scrolls, providing flexibility and versatility in the bending process. This tool is widely used in metalworking and artistic metal crafting to produce ornamental elements for gates, railings, furniture, and decorative pieces. By utilizing a scroll bender, metal workers and artisans can efficiently craft customized scrolls and curves, adding aesthetic appeal and intricate detail to their metalwork projects. This tool utilizes 3 rollers and adjustable guides for consistent bends in metal rings or circular shapes. The rollers play a vital role in shaping the metal, guiding it through the bending process to create smooth and uniform curves. The adjustable guides enable the user to control the diameter and curvature of the rings or circular shapes, ensuring precision and consistency in the bending results. This tool is commonly used in metalworking and fabrication to produce circular components for various applications, including furniture, architectural elements, and crafting projects. The pipe bender combines a sturdy frame, a hydraulic jack, and bending dies for precise shaping of metal pipes or tubing. The sturdy frame provides the necessary support and stability for the bending process, ensuring safe and accurate shaping of the metal pipes. The hydraulic jack serves as the primary mechanism for applying force, enabling controlled bending without causing damage to the material. Additionally, the bending dies play a crucial role in determining the radius and angle of the bends, allowing for customization and versatility in the shaping of the pipes or tubing. This tool is widely used in plumbing, construction, and metalworking for creating bends in pipes to meet specific design and layout requirements. The Angle Iron Bender, incorporating a fixed base, lever arm, and adjustable stops for creating L-shaped bends in metal. The fixed base provides stability and support for the bending process, ensuring precise and consistent results when shaping the angle iron. The lever arm enables the application of controlled force, facilitating the bending of the metal with accuracy and ease. Incorporating adjustable stops allows for the creation of bends at various angles, providing flexibility and versatility in metalworking projects. This tool is commonly used in fabrication and construction to create L-shaped components for structures, frames, and various metalwork applications. The metal brake press, assembled using a hydraulic jack, a sturdy frame, and a bending plate for bending thicker metal sheets. The hydraulic jack serves as the primary mechanism for applying force, allowing controlled bending of thicker metal sheets without requiring excessive physical effort. The sturdy frame provides stability and support for the bending process, ensuring safety and accuracy during operation. The bending plate, positioned according to the required bend angle, facilitates the precise shaping of the metal sheets. This tool is commonly used in metalworking, fabrication, and manufacturing for shaping metal sheets into various components for industrial, construction, and artistic applications. This tool uses adjustable rollers and guides for shaping metal channels or C-shaped profiles. The adjustable rollers play a key role in controlling the bending angle and radius, ensuring accuracy and consistency in shaping the metal channels. By adjusting the position of the rollers, users can achieve various bending configurations to suit different project requirements. Additionally, incorporating guides helps in maintaining the alignment of the metal channel during the bending process, resulting in uniform and accurate bends. This tool is commonly utilized in metalworking, construction, and manufacturing for creating custom metal channels, used in various structural and decorative applications. Converting a scroll saw into a metal bender involves replacing the blade with a metal cutting discs and utilizing the saw's table and guides for controlled bends. By replacing the traditional blade with a metal cutting disc, the scroll saw can effectively handle metal materials, allowing for precise and intricate cuts necessary for bending metal. The saw's table and guides play a crucial role in facilitating controlled bends by providing support and alignment for the metalwork piece during the bending process. This adaptation enables the scroll saw to be utilized not only for cutting metal, but also for creating controlled bends in the material, making it a versatile tool for metalworking and fabrication projects. The use of a metal cutting disc and a saw's table and guides transforms the scroll saw into a valuable asset for producing custom metal bends with accuracy and ease, expanding its capabilities beyond traditional cutting tasks. Did you find these DIY tips helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe to MechMinds Hub channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.